So, are you guys ready for? Are you guys ready for the RLF coaching program? Type me in the chat box if you are ready. If you are not ready, हम लोग सब अभी ओके टाटा बाय बाय करते हैं. Type me in the chat box, everybody, and we will start on the journey. I will give you a glimpse of what all is included in this RSF coaching program. So, presenting RLF coaching program. Ta-da! This is my package. What I mean by my package is my whole dump of all the experience of my RLF coaching program. So let me first give you a requirement of who this RLF coaching program is. So type yes if you are from these categories. If you want to learn about the restaurant business, then this RLF coaching program is for you. If you want to plan a restaurant business, type yes if you just want to learn about the restaurant business. Need not be आपको आगे जाके रेस्टोरेंट खोलना है या नहीं खोलना है वो पता नहीं, but you want to learn about the restaurant business. If you are like this, type yes in the chat box. Or else if you want to plan a restaurant business, you are at a stage where you are thinking of planning a restaurant business ऑन पेपर, कितना कॉस्ट आएगा, कितना मुझे खर्चा आएगा, कितना क्या आएगा. You just want to create a project report and keep it ready so that when a opportunity comes, you will open a restaurant. In that case, RLF coaching program is for you. Type yes in the chat box if you are from this category. Now, if you want to start a restaurant in the coming future, you already have accumulated some money. You are going to borrow some money, but you need the know-how of how to do it, what to do in order to open a restaurant. If you are from this category, type yes in the chat box. If you are already just at the starting point and you will go through my RLF coaching program, you will know all these steps and then you will start and open a restaurant of your own. Now you are already owning a restaurant business. Type yes in the chat box if you are already owning a restaurant business and you want my feedback in order to improvise that restaurant business. How to do the promotion, how to reduce the wastage, how to maintain the staff, what to do. So you need a person to give you feedback in order to increase the efficiency, increase the profitability. If you are from this, type yes in the chat box. Now, if you're, let's say you are owning another business, but you want to diversify in food business. If you are from any category where you are owning a business, but you are seeing that it might be little risky, you are seeing a downgrading of that business, you are seeing a lessening of growth in that business, and you want to diversify into food business, that in that for these type of categories also, RLF coaching program is the best. Type yes if you are from here, from this category. And lastly, if you want to invest in somebody else's business, but you want to know that this business, what this business includes. मतलब food business क्या होता है? What should be the opening? How should be? You need to have certain experience because it is your money. You want to give it to your partner. You want to put it in your child, in your son's restaurant or your daughter's restaurant or your wife's restaurant. If you are from this category, type yes in the chat box. So this RLF coaching program is not only for people who want to open a restaurant in the coming 1 to 4 or 5 months or 1 year. This is for all these people who are from these categories. So here is what you will get in the RLF coaching program. I have created a video library of all the things which you are requiring in order to open a restaurant. So day one is all about selecting a location. So video one is all about selecting a location. Day two is deciding a concept. So you will get an online access, private online access. This is not a public online access. This is a private online access to my learning management system. It is just, you will get an email ID and a password, which you can just put, you can log in, and you will start going through all these videos. So selecting a concept, selecting a location, deciding a concept, perfect customers, arranging capital for your business. How many people want to raise money in order to open their restaurant? Type yes in the chat box. Selecting a property and applying licenses, planning your restaurant, planning your kitchen. Planning is very, very important. Selecting menu. What should you include in the menu? How to recruit staff for your restaurant and how to promote your restaurant. So these all topics are covered in detail. These are videos from 20 minutes up till 30, 40, 50 minutes in depth with all the videos and the PDFs. And the value of this is 24,000. Now wait, once you see this 24,000, I know you are going for a shock. Oh my God, 24,000. मैं इतना पैसा किधर से लाऊं? Please understand that 24,000 is the value of these videos. This is not the cost of my RLF coaching program. Everybody type yes in the chat box if you understand the difference between value and cost. Value is the value of that product in the marketplace, and cost is what you are paying to get that product. So these videos or this information is valued at 24,000 rupees. This is not the cost of my RLF coaching program. You know, we live all our life especially when money is limited, we live all our life getting shocks in the market. So let's say, for example, you're going to shopping and you have 1,000 or 2,000 in your pocket and you see a jeans which is 3,000. You're getting a shock, 3,000, 4. So I don't want you to get that shock. This is just the value. I will reveal the cost of the RLF coaching program at the end within 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah. Type yes in the chat box if you are understanding this. So here is what you're going to get. Lifetime access to all the RLF coaching videos, or the value of this is 24,000 rupees. Now here is bonus video number 1, Restaurant Profit Max. What I mean by Restaurant Profit Max is how to manage your restaurant for optimum profit. Just opening a restaurant is not important. Just starting a restaurant is not enough. You have to look at key metrics in order to make sure that your restaurant is profitable. And that is what I have covered in depth in this bonus video. And the value of this is 4,000, and you are going to get it free with the RLF coaching program. Bonus video number 2 is Cash King. How to supervise cash handling in the restaurant. How to handle cash. Type yes in the chat box if you agree that if you don't handle the cash properly in your restaurant, your cash flow will go dry. And if you don't manage the cash properly, there is a certain way in which you have to pay your vendors. There's a certain way in which you have to remove some money for your overheads, for your monthly expenses. If you don't manage it properly, and if you mismanage it, then you will not have the required sums to manage. Your vendor will not bring you the food, the supplies. You will not have money to pay the electricity bill, and everything can go for a toss. The value of this is 4,000, and you are going to get it free with the RLF coaching program. Bonus video number 3 is the number 1 secret of successful restaurant owners. What is the number 1 thing which you have to focus in order to be successful in this restaurant business? I have covered it as a different bonus. The value of this again is 4,000 rupees, and you're going to get it free with the RLF coaching program. Do you want more, or is it enough? Type more in the chat box if you want more. I want everybody to type more in the chat box. All of you who are here, Abhijit, Amrita, Harsh, Ghosh, Jaiti, Krishna, Kunal, Nikhil, Pranav, Rajesh, Ravi, Sachin, Sandeep, SC Murthy, Selva, Shan, Sunil, Vijaya, Vikas, Vismay, and Vivek. Everybody type more in the chat box. Those of you who are not typing more will not get these bonuses. I'm just kidding. Thank you so much, everybody, for your interaction and your initiative. So what else do you need? Delivery kitchen. Delivery kitchen, cloud kitchen, dark kitchen, white kitchen, black kitchen, Dikhta nahi kitchen, Mr. India kitchen, whatever you call it. It is just a kitchen. And I have done a deep dive session. What I mean by a deep dive session is I have done a deep dive training into this. And it is called as how to create and flourish your own delivery kitchen. Type me in the chat box if you want this deep dive session. The value of this deep dive session is at 4,000 rupees, and you are going to get it complimentary with your RLF coaching program. What else do you need? Money, capital, paisa kaise raise. A lot of people want to raise their money. A lot of people want to raise money, but they don't want to mortgage anything. We restaurant owners have got certain tricks hidden in our, under our table, where we don't want to mortgage anything, but we want to raise the money. And we know certain schemes in the market. how to raise funds without mortgaging anything. Type me in the chat box if you want this specific skill of borrowing money without mortgaging your flat, without mortgaging your gold, without mortgaging your LIC, without mortgaging your car, without mortgaging your mutual fund, without mortgaging your FD. If you want to get this, the value of this is 4,000. You will get it free with the RLF coaching program. And the last thing, attracting quality staff. Type yes in the chat box if you believe that staff is the number one deciding factor whether your restaurant will work or no. Type yes in the chat box. If you don't have the right staff, if you don't take care of them, if you don't pay them, if you don't, there are certain things which we do because we are doing this restaurant business for the past 50 years, 50, 60 years. There are certain things which we do which take care of the staff, and they are able to do good in this. They don't leave our place, and we are able to run our restaurant hassle free. Number one aspect, absolutely, Vijaya. So here is a deep dive session which I have done. I call it as the staff magnet, how to attract and retain loyal staff in your restaurant. The value of this is 4,000 rupees, and you will get it free with the RLF coaching program. Now, let me another deep dive session on branding secrets. How to make your food business, so appealing for maximum appeal. So what I mean by that is how to brand your food business for maximum appeal. What I mean by that is, type yes in the chat box if you have gone to a restaurant where you enter a restaurant and you see something is missing in that restaurant. That board is of a different color. The staff is wearing a different color uniform. The tables, furniture is of a different color. The crockery cutlery is different. The menu is of a different color. You get a confusing kind of experience. Type yes in the chat box if you have had that kind of an experience. That is because you have not branded your restaurant that way. There are certain elements in the marketplace there are certain elements in the designing of your restaurant or your food business which need to be continued to the end so that you have a certain congruency. And that is what I've covered in this branding secrets class. So here is what all our RLF coaching members are going to get. Lifetime access to the RLF coaching videos, lifetime access to the bonus session videos, lifetime access to deep dive session on delivery kitchen, lifetime access to the deep dive session on raising funds, lifetime access to deep dive session on attracting staff, lifetime access to the deep dive session on branding secrets. Do you want more? बस एक ही और चाहिए. Type more in the chat box if you want more. I want everybody to type more in the chat box. I'm feeling like a Santa Claus today, giving you as much as possible. Sandeep is saying, Dil mange more. Thank you so much, Chef. Chef Harsh, Abhijit, Sandeep, Kunal, Vijaya, Selva, Shan. Thank you so much, everybody, for your interaction. Does everybody else doesn't want more? बाकी लोग क्यों ठंडे हो गए भाई? अभिजीत, अमृता, घोष, जयती, कृष्णा, कुणाल, निखिल, प्रणव, राजेश, Ravi. Come on. I don't want the excitement to die down because this is going to be the most important day of your life. And this is going to really change your life. So here is a never before got bonus. Wealth creation formula. Type yes in the chat box that all we are doing over here, if we want to open a restaurant and if we want to manage it successfully and profitably, is not just to create employment, just to make money. It is that we want to be wealthy at the end of our life. Type yes in the chat box. But there are a lot of people in the market who are earning a lot of salaries, who are making a lot of profits. But at the end of the day, when you look at their balance sheet, they don't have the money. कहाँ गया पैसा पता नहीं, क्या किया पता नहीं. So of course, type yes in the chat box if you have seen a vendor or a shop owner who is like the same for the past 20 years. You might have seen a limbu pani wala, a chikki bechne wala. So he has the same, he's wearing the same kapda, he's having the same thing, he is working every day. Unfortunately, his financial wealth is not that much. You might have seen that kind of a situation. And that is because you don't know how to remove money from your business and invest it and to multiply it. Of course, this is not a financial advice by any means, but I have given you my opinion how we create wealth. By God's grace, we are able to create loads and loads of wealth, properties worth crores of rupees. Please don't tell the income tax officers. But that is why, because we have learned this, and that is what I want to give you. This the value of this is invaluable. The value, but I have just put a value of 8,000 rupees. And this wealth creation formula is one thing which you're going to get free with the RLF coaching program. Do you want more? Do you know what to do? Type more in the chat box if you want more. I will hold your hand till you get there. What I mean by that is, this is not just a information course. This is not just a course where I have recorded a couple of videos, I have put it on internet, and I will give you access to this. You will get a 3-month support from me. What I mean by that is, you will get a weekly mastermind. Do you remember on Tuesday, I finished this session, and after that, I gave you a sneak peek into my mastermind session. Did anybody go through it? Type yes in the chat box if you went to that video. So each Tuesday at 8 o'clock, I come live. It has been my effort for the from the time I have started the RLF coaching program, leaving aside a couple of weeks where I couldn't. It might be because of a physical reason, or I might have gone for a vacation. But apart from that, each week I try to come online and I try to talk to you face to face, and on every Tuesday at 8 o'clock. Because once you're going through my RLF coaching program, there are certain questions which you have, certain roadblocks, certain doubts in your mind. You can hop onto this live call and we can talk face to face, and I can clear those doubts. So the value of this is invaluable, and you will have access to this free with my RLF coaching program. Then I've created a vault. What I mean by a vault is a treasure of all the mastermind sessions I have recorded and I have put at one place, and you will get access to this. The value of this is invaluable, but you will get access to this with the investment at the RLF coaching program. So type yes in the chat box if you want to get rid of these problems. Do you want to get rid of fear of failing in this food business? Type yes in the chat box. Do you want to get rid of problem of lack of money? Type yes in the business. Do you want to clear the doubt whether this business will be successful or no? Type yes in the chat box. Do you fear that you have no knowledge in this field? If that is the problem, type yes in the chat box. Do you want to know how to get good staff? Type yes in the chat box. Do you want to know it is Corona time, how to become successful at it? Type yes in the chat box. How to plan a menu, how to get the staff, how to run a restaurant, how to plan a kitchen, how, if you have lack of experience, do you want to get that with the knowledge which I am going to give you? Everybody type yes in the chat box if you want to get rid of these fears. So here is what you are going to get. 10 days of RLF coaching videos worth 24,000 rupees, 3 bonus training videos worth 12,000, 4 deep dive sessions worth 16,000, wealth creation formula worth 8,000 rupees, weekly mastermind sessions, which is invaluable, and the video vault, a compilation of all the recordings of my mastermind sessions, which are recorded and put together. You can, each mastermind session is worth gold, because a lot of people are asking a lot of different questions which you can go through, and these are the questions which you are going to face in your journey. Everybody, I hope you understand that. Type yes in the chat box if you understand this. So the value of this is 60,000 rupees. Now, if all this coaching did was, after you join this RLF coaching program, all it did was, if it helps you understand the food business so that someday you can open a restaurant of your own, do you think it will be worth it? Type yes in the chat box. If it helps you understand the food business, that down the line, when you go, you are able to open a restaurant of your own, do you think would it be worth it? If it helps you save lakhs of rupees while planning your menu, while planning your restaurant, one mistake here and there might cost you thousands of rupees or lakhs of rupees. But if you save that after going through my RLF coaching program, would it be worth it? Or third is, if you are doing a job, or if you are operating a business, but you want to diversify, it gives you the ability to create plan B. So it is Corona time going on. A lot of people are losing their jobs. A lot of people are getting salary cuts and all those things. So you need a backup plan in case your job fails or your business fails. Type yes if investing in this would be worth it, if you have a backup plan for yourself. And finally, if you open a restaurant concept that is profitable, if you are earning few thousands of rupees in a day, let's say you're earning 20, 30, 40,000 rupees in a day, would it be worth it? Definitely it would be worth it. So what one food business is worth for you. So let's say you have a food business which is earning 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees for a month. I want you to put a figure in this chat box that if you have a restaurant which is earning 1 lakh rupees a month, that is 12 lakh rupees in a year, how much would you pay to buy that food business? Give me your figure in the chat box. If you have a restaurant which is earning 1 lakh rupees, how much will you pay to get that business? How much will you pay to buy that business? 12 lakh rupees हर साल का restaurant है. I want to know your figure. What would be your figure if you would buy that restaurant and you would get each month 1 lakh rupees? Abhijit is saying 30 lakh rupees. Nikhil is saying 30 to 36 lakh rupees. Very good answer. SC Murthy is saying 15 lakhs proper. Sunil is saying 25 lakhs. Shan is saying 35 lakhs. Vijay is saying 1 crore. Absolutely right. What about everybody else? I'm just asking you a hypothetical question. You don't need to give me that money. So don't worry. I'll start my own to spare 1 year. That is also a good answer. Ghosh is saying 30 lakh rupees. What about everybody else? I want everybody to answer this. Harsh is saying 24 lakhs. Sandeep is saying 50 lakhs. So how much would you pay for one profitable business? That is what you should keep in mind, because once you are going for this RLF coaching program, you are getting the skill, you are getting the training, you are getting the insights, you are getting the support, you are getting the feedback, and you are getting the mentorship to start and open a successful restaurant, which is going to earn 50,000, 1 lakh, 3 lakh, or whatever, how much ever your restaurant scales up. Yeah. So here you can see why it is a good deal at 60,000. All of you have given me an amount which is far bigger than 60,000 rupees. 50, somebody gave, let me see who all gave. Abhijit gave 30 lakhs. Nikhil gave 30 to 36 lakhs. SC Murthy gave 15 lakhs. Sunil gave 25 lakhs. Shan gave 35. Vijay said 1 crore. Selva said, I'll start on your own. Ghosh said 30 lakhs. Harsh said 24. Sandeep said 50. And Chef said 1 lakh in profit. So every amount is more than the 60,000 rupees. So you can see why investing in this RLF coaching program is far bigger than 60,000. It's far more. It makes sense to invest in this because the amount is far more than what you have invested. So because you have spent 5 days learning with me on this WhatsApp class, because you have spent the time watching this training, and I want, because I want everybody to learn and open a successful restaurant, because my mission, it is to create 1 million successful restaurant owners all across the world in the coming 10 years. Here is what you are going to get. 10 days of RLF coaching videos, which are worth 24,000 rupees. Bonus training videos of 3 bonus training videos, which are worth 12,000. 4 deep dive sessions, which are worth 16,000 rupees. Wealth creation formula worth 8,000. Weekly mastermind session, which is invaluable, and the vault, which is invaluable. The total value is 60,000, but I am not going to charge you 60,000, not 50,000, not 40,000, not 35, not even 30. Everybody type ready me in the chat box if you really want to know the real RLF coaching price. If you want to go in today, type ready in the chat box. Since Sandeep has typed ready, I want everybody to type ready. All the people who are here, I am just putting kerosene on fire because I'm trying to play with you, tease with you. I am 100% sure that most of you are going to go for this program because I've made it very, very reasonable. But this is the time when I get to have the fun. I get to play with you. So Abhijit, Amrita, Harsh, Ghosh, Krishna, Kunal, Nikhil, Pranav, Rajesh, Ravi, Sachin, Sandeep, Murthy, Selva, Shan, Sunil, Vijaya, Vikas, Vivek. So let me tell you one thing. Money is good. What I mean by that is, let's say, for example, you have in your bank account 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. And type yes if you agree to this. Money is good, but keeping that money in your bank account is actually, you are actually losing money, because each and every day, each and every month, each and every year, the inflation is going up. महंगाई बढ़ रही है. So you have 1 lakh rupees in the marketplace. Next year, that 1 lakh is worth 92,000 rupees, because 8% inflation बढ़ गया, तो आपका money का value हो गया. So you have to think, where should you invest that money, where you can learn a skill after investing that money and multiply that money and create and generate more money. Everybody type yes if you agree to this commonsensical thing. So you always, you can get information anywhere. You can get information on YouTube, you can get information on this thing, but you will not find a situation where you have the person who has already done it to hold your hand and to take you through the process to do it. So make sure you keep that in mind. So not 30,000, not 25,000, not 20,000, not 15,000, not even 13, not even 12, not even 11, not even 10, not even 9. Can you take a guess? Today, you can invest in this RLF coaching program and you can get in only at 7,999 with all these bonuses. And I have some special, something special for the people who are going to sign up in the coming 15 minutes. Let me tell you what all is here. So first, let me summarize what all you will get with your investment of 7,999. First is the lifetime access to all the training videos. You will have access to lifetime, because I am going to give you the login ID password of the learning management system. You can watch it on the phone, you can watch it on your mobile, you can watch it on your tab, you can watch it on computer. Lifetime access to the PDF presentation, lifetime access to 3 bonus session videos, lifetime access to 4 deep dive sessions, lifetime access to all wealth creation formula, and 3 months of RLF mastermind training sessions each week at 8 o'clock. You will be talking to me. Now, do you want more, or this is enough? Type more in the chat box if you want more. I have something cool for people who are signing up today, and these bonuses are going to blow your mind. All the people who are live over here, believe me, Abhijit, Amrita, Chef, Harsh, Ghosh, Krishna, Kunal, Nikhil, Pranav, Rajesh, Sachin, Sandeep, S.C. Murthy, Selva, Shan, Sunil, Vijaya, Vikas, and Vivek. All the people who are live over here, the bonuses which I have for you, you will not get these bonuses anywhere, and these are really going to help you towards your goal. So you always know that I have appreciated action takers. Type yes in the chat box. Every time you have taken action, if you have created a video, when I have told you, I have appreciated it. I'm not audible. Am I audible, guys? Type yes in the chat box. Sunil is saying you're not audible. Sunil, check your headphone. So every time you guys have taken action, I have appreciated it. If you have just typed something also, I have appreciated it. So I always appreciate people who take action. And I deeply believe that action takers are finally the ones who are getting results. The people who just talk and they just, don't do anything will not reach anywhere. People who take action, who are the real implementers, will reach somewhere. So only for the people who sign up for the coming 15 minutes, I am going to give you these 3 fast action bonuses. First is the audio restaurant starter kit course. This course is valued at 4,999. The course itself is valued at 5,000. You will get it free if you sign up within coming 15 minutes. Second is my restaurant secrets ebook. The cost of this ebook is 499 rupees. Around 500 of the people have already bought it. You will get a digital version of this book complimentary. It is in the RLF coaching program, learning area. Third is for all the people who sign up on the RLF coaching program in the coming 15 minutes. I will be giving lifetime access to my weekly mastermind session. Lifetime access till you are alive and till I am alive. We will be coming online on Tuesday at 8 o'clock or whatever the time which is decided. Till you are alive and till I am alive. Tell me who wants this bonus. Type me in the chat box. Lifetime access. Huh? Kabhi bhi aao, each week you will come on my RLF WhatsApp class, on my on my mastermind session, and we will talk face to face. Now, there are 43 participants in our WhatsApp group. If you have checked our WhatsApp group, there are 43 participants. Here is a special super bonus for the first 9 people who are going to sign up for this RLF coaching program. This bonus will not be given to anybody apart from these 5 people who apart from these 9 people who will, after this 9 people sign up, this bonus ends. I have this physical vendor directory with me of all India vendors of all the things which you have. Let me stop the screen share. Let me show you what all is in this book. You have interior decorators, you have consultants, you have electrical consultants, lighting consultants, you have bakery consultants, kitchen equipment manufacturers, alcohol beverage vendors, you have bakery equipments. Anything and everything you require is there in this vendor directory. The weight of this vendor directory is 1 kg. So I will be couriering this book to you anywhere in India. This is not available outside India because the courier charge is very high. But anywhere in India, for the first 9 people who will be signing up in this, first 9 people who will be signing up for this in the coming 15 minutes, I will be shipping this to you. So make sure you are ready. Do you want me to share the payment link? You can pay from debit card, credit card, Paytm, whatever. Type yes in the chat box if you want me to share the payment link. Let me get that link for you. I will run a timer. I will run a timer, and where did that thing go? Okay. Yeah. So here is the link. First 9 people will get this book. You can use it as a dumbbell also. It is a 1 kg book. And I will send you this vendor directory which has got all over India vendors, so that you can contact anybody from Delhi to Chennai to Mumbai to Calcutta, whoever, and just go on this link. If you want to pay on Google Pay or this thing, let me give you the thing on Google Pay. And if you want the bank details, then let me give you the bank details. Here are the bank details. Everybody go and sign up there. If you have any questions, come and ask me about the RLF coaching program questions. The first 9 members will get the physical copy of this. After this 9 registrations are done, then you will not get this, because these are only for the 9. I only have 9 pieces. And by the way, all the people, oh my God, Nikhil has already paid. Nikhil, you are in. And Nikhil and everybody who is signing up, please promise me to give at least 20 days for me to deliver this. It is Corona time going out. All the courier are closed and they have a backlog. Type promise in the chat box. Don't start bugging me from next week. Sir, mera book nahi aaya, mera book nahi aaya. Let me run this thing. Everybody else who has any questions, please let me know. If you have any questions regarding the RLF coaching program, Somebody asked me who had ask me any question if you have, only regarding the RLF coaching program. I'm not taking any other questions. Shan is asking how many people already in the live mastermind session. We have somewhere around 180 people who have already joined. 180, 200 people have joined the RLF coaching program, if I'm not mistaken. More than that, actually, I should count. It might be around 200 and this thing. Krishna, the cost is 7,999, and you can go and you can. Just a moment. Let me get the link again. You can go and you can pay on this Razorpay link. Gopal is saying, I missed how many sessions. You'll get a mastermind session for lifetime. Each month, each week at 8 o'clock, I will come live. And all the stuff which we told you, I gave you about around 10 videos which will handle each and every topic in detail. Then we have the 3 deep dive sessions. We have the 4 bonuses. Then you will get my audio course. Then you will get my this thing. So everything is included along with the vendor directory which I'm going to give you. This is a all India vendor directory with all the suppliers which are available. I will ship it to you. Please put your address in the proper address in the this thing. Let me run the timer. Here is what you are going to get, Chef. Focus. 10 days of RLF coaching videos, 3 bonus trainings worth 12,000, 4 deep dive sessions worth 16,000, wealth creation formula worth 8,000. Weekly mastermind sessions is invaluable. Vault recordings is invaluable. Restaurant starter kit is 4,999. Restaurant ebook is 499. Mastermind support is invaluable. Lifetime mastermind support. Will we have enough time to voice our concern on mastermind? It is going to be a live session, Chan. Far more than what is there on my RLF coaching program. You can ask me as many questions as you want. Don't worry. Physical vendor directory, if you are entering now, the value is 65,497. Amount is 7,999. Harsh, see the amount is 7,999. Yeah? Rupees 7,999. Here is the link. Oh, sorry, I sent it to Krishna. I'm so sorry. Now I'm going to run the timer. And only the people who will sign, the first 9 people will get these bonuses, will get this book. If you have not from the first 9, you are not going to get this book. Ask me if you have any questions. Ask me if you have any questions regarding the RLF coaching program. Don't think twice. As I've told you, money is okay. You can learn anything from internet. Nowadays on internet, you can get anything, but you will not get somebody to answer your questions, because that is what I am giving you. I am giving you a lifetime access. Anytime you want in your life, whenever you want, you can go. Abhijit Shinde is in. Abhijit, welcome. Chef Harsh is also in. Sachin is in. Who else is in? 3 of these books have already gone. Who else was in? Nikhil was in. I think so. Nikhil is in. Nikhil is in. Shan is in. SC is in. 5 books have gone. Come on. Only 4 books remaining. 13 minutes, 35 seconds left. And dance with me. All those who have. Hey, by the way, gift till tomorrow morning for me to send you the login ID password. Everybody who has paid, type promise in the chat box. 20 days for me to send you this book physically, and till tomorrow morning to create your login ID password to send it to you. Type promise in the chat box. You should give more surprise to first buyer. अरे निखिल और क्या दे दूं यार, इतना सब तो दे दिया, और क्या दे दूं? अभी घर में आजा मेरे भाई खाना खाने. I am just kidding. I am sure you trained marketing in the US. क्या बात करता है यार हर्ष. इधर कोरोना में बाहर निकलने को नहीं जम रहा है. अमेरिका किधर जाएगा? Okay. Who else wants it? Come on, come on. Who else wants it? Don't give excuses to yourself. अभी पैसा नहीं है, अभी नहीं है. Take out your mobile and take out your mobile. Just let me talk to you. Take out your mobile and divide this 7,999 with 365. The amount which comes is 21 rupees a day. Just tell me, if you cannot bear 21 rupees a day in order to achieve the business, in order to get a dream business of yours, what else can you do? 600 rupees a month. Don't watch Netflix. Invest in my course, because my course is going to help you to create, generate thousands of rupees, lakhs of rupees profit. Netflix is not going to help you to generate lakhs of rupees. Netflix is going to take your money. I am giving you money. So, as I've told you, information is not only enough. You need a person to help you to do it. You can get information everywhere. But what will you do if you don't have somebody who is already doing it in my process, and who gets to, you get to learn from a person who is already doing it. So please keep in mind, Selva is in. Selva and Sandeep, welcome to the RLF coaching program. I believe around 3-4 books are already remaining. Everybody else, tell me what is stopping you from taking action. All the people who are live over here, apart from the people who have invested, Abhijit, Amrita, Harsh, Ghosh, Krishna, Kunal, Nikhil, Pranav, Rajesh, Sachin, Sandeep, S.C. Murthy, Selva, Shan, Sunil, Vijaya, Vikas, Vivek. What is stopping you from taking action? Tell me. You want resources? I have given you resources. You don't have money? That is a mindset problem. It is not. See, if we want, we come up with money for anything. अगर आपको iPhone लेना है, तो आप 65,000 rupees, 75,000 rupees का EMI ले लेते हो और iPhone ले लेते हो. Type yes in the chat box if you agree to this. अगर आपको MacBook Pro लेना है, अगर आपको Wrangler का जीन्स लेना है 3,000 का, अगर आपको बाली जाना है, तो then we come up with a way to come up with the money. हम लोग EMI ले लेते हैं, हम लोग कहीं का पैसा निकाल लेते हैं. But this is a situation, this is a scenario where the learnings from this RLF coaching program are going to help you to generate a lot of money in the down run. So I believe that you have to stop thinking like you don't need this, because you need this. So income is disposable. What I mean by that is, Sunil Asnani is here. Sunil, you're in. Wrangler ka jeans, absolutely. Sunil, you're in, and you are in for the bonus also. Don't worry. 9 minutes, 54 seconds remaining. Now, let me tell you, if you ask about disposable income, let's say, for example, you are doing a job, or you are doing a business. Each month you are getting some money. That money will keep on replenishing. Even if you spend it, let's say you spend it on Wrangler jeans, you spend it on Pani Puri, you spend it on your vacation, you spend it on buying a nice TV, you spend it on buying a nice mobile phone. Next month, a month after that, the money will keep on replenishing. But one thing which will not come is this opportunity to master the skill of the restaurant business. So if you want to, you have to decide whether you want to give excuses to yourself and save 600 rupees a month. 600 rupees a month is around 8,000 rupees approximately a year. 600 रुपया महीने का बचाना है, दिन का 20 रुपया बचाना है, साल का 8,000 रुपया बचाना है, कि नया सीखना है और उससे आपका रेस्टोरेंट खोलना है, और जिससे आपका thousands of rupees, लाखों रुपए आप कमा सकते हो. That is up to you. Vijay has paid. Vijay, welcome. Another 8 minutes, 45 seconds remaining. Type awesome in the chat box if you feel great after investing in this RLF coaching program. FOMO, fear of missing out. Yeah. Type awesome in the chat box. All the people who have invested in this. So there is a certain amount of anxiety when somebody is asking you for money. कोई भी आपको अगर पैसा पूछ रहा है, तो आपको थोड़ा डर लगता है. अरे यार 8,000 रुपया कैसा दे दूं, क्या करूं, ये करूं, वो करूं. Please understand, I am here for a lifetime to hold your hand and to take you through this process. Type yes in the chat box if you understand the gravity of this situation. It is not Krishna has said, sir, I sent details. Okay, Krishna. So if you send details, net banking. Okay, Krishna, here are my net banking details. Krishna, you don't send me the net banking. आपको मुझे पैसा देना है, मुझे आपको पैसा नहीं देना है. So Vijay said I did it with faith. So lifetime access to my coaching program means my coaching program में every week, apart from a couple of weeks in a month, in a year, where I might be sick or where I might have something else, I make it a point each week at 8 o'clock I come and you have my RLF coaching program, which is going to take care of your training. So training के through जाओ और मेरे साथ रहो. Plus you have all the resources loaded with you, which I am going to send you. By the way, I hope everybody has put their addresses. SC Murthy is saying sent through GPay. Okay, Krishna is saying already paid. Great, Krishna, you are also in. 6 minutes, 55 seconds remaining. Tell me what is stopping you from taking action. Why? What is the main thing? Please understand. आपका excuses और आपका action, ये दोनों के बीच में आपका success है. I hope I am clear with that. I'm sorry if my pronunciation went a little here and there. One person is there who makes only excuses. मेरे पास 600 रुपया नहीं है महीने का, मेरे पास दिन का 20 रुपया नहीं है, you know. Or one person is there who directly takes action. So all these people, yeah, those of you who have invested, and if you want to leave, you can leave now, no problem. Two things: give me till tomorrow morning to send you the RLF coaching program login ID details. If possible, I'll do it tonight or tomorrow. And secondly, give me at least 20 days for you to send this book. Because don't start asking me for this, you know. Type promise in the chat box. मेरे को अगले मंडे से सर मेरा बुक किधर है, मेरा बुक किधर है, चालू मत करना. You can leave if you are already invested. You can leave, no problem. So all of you who have not invested, please keep in mind, we always come up with an excuse if we don't want to do a thing, and if we want to do a thing, we always come up with the money. You have to decide. Gopal, your info is more important than the book. Absolutely, absolutely. But still, yeah, you require resources also. I am there for you. But ultimately, if you require some technical knowledge or some person, you will have to always. So this is a very, very valuable book. And I'm going to physically send it to you. So all the people who are live, cheers, buddy. Thank you so much for investing. And all the new people who have invested, welcome to the RLF coaching program. I will personally congratulate you. I will send you all the details. Yeah. Sachin wants to meet now. Abhi mat aana bhai, abhi corona hai. So 4 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. The bonuses are going off. I believe there are just 2 bonuses remaining, 2 or 3 bonuses. What is stopping you from taking action? Abhijit, Amrita, Krishna, Nikhil. So those of you who have invested, please don't mind me taking your names. Pranav, Rajesh, Sachin, Sandeep, SC Murthy, Selva, Vijaya, Vivek, Shan. What is stopping you from taking action? Sachin, I don't mind meeting, but let me send it to you physically. It's Corona time and it is very, very this thing. How to send address on GPay. SC Murthy, just private WhatsApp me your address. I hope that helps. Just private WhatsApp me your address. 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Krishna, bye and welcome to the RLF coaching program. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. 4 minutes remaining. See you later, Selva. Okay, Selva, welcome. Tell me if you have any questions regarding the RLF coaching program. What is stopping you from taking action? Don't listen to that small voice in your head. You know, 8,000 rupees is not a big thing compared to the 8,000 rupees is not a big thing compared to the information which you are getting, the experience which you are getting, and the live sessions which you are getting, the resources which you are getting, which will help you to understand this business in a very, very concrete way, to master this business. and to go out there and open a restaurant of your own. So it is not later. It is not later. Yes, Shan, absolutely. Each week I come up. See you later, buddy. Welcome to the RLF coaching program. So it is not about only information. It is about hand holding and it is about this thing. So don't stop. Don't listen to that small voice in your head. You know, don't try to uh, save this money, because anyways you are going to, year after year after the inflation is increasing, the money is losing value. But if you invest in the right program, if you invest it in the right information, if you get the right skill, and if you implement that skill, that is how you are going to make money. Type yes if you have learned a skill, like for example engineering. For example, you have learned a skill, you have applied it, and then you went ahead and you you got a good job. The same way I have learned it the long way, 20 years of trial and error, spending lakhs of rupees, losing lakhs of rupees, earning lakhs of rupees. And this is the culmination of all the things which I have put in my RLF coaching program. So bye Sandeep, welcome to the RLF coaching program. So all of you who have not taken action, please let me give you the link again. Just go ahead, guys. Don't think twice. Click that Razorpay link, which is pay online. Go and pay and start on this journey, because this is the tipping point of the success of your career. Don't stop and then later after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, you will say, "अरे यार वो time पे था अभी कैसे करे?" It is not possible to do. वो time पे possible था अभी ने कैसे करे? 1 hour, 1 minute, 33 seconds. Bye, Vijaya. Welcome to the RLF coaching program. 1 hour and 26 minutes remaining. Come on, everybody. Last 1 hour, 22 minutes to get this book. Otherwise, you're not going to get this book. Type, if you have any issues, please type in the chat box. If you have any problems, Abhijit, Amrita, Nikhil, I believe Nikhil and Abhijit are in. Pranav, Rajesh, Sachin, Vivek. 58, 57, 56, 53. Come on. I'm giving you the link again. Ask me if you have any questions. If not, it is cool. (18, 17, 16). Come on, all the last goers. Go for it, go for it. And it is 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Khatam. Time's up. All the people who are in, I want to personally welcome each and everybody on the RLF WhatsApp class. By the way, anybody who wants to ask somebody, who wants to wait, who needs to have some permission and all, please type in the chat box, or you can private message me on WhatsApp, and I will make sure that, because I understand sometimes you have to ask your uncle, auntie, daddy, mummy, or whoever, wife or husband, whatever. So if that is the issue, please type in the chat box and make sure you sign up on that link, and I will make sure that if you are live, then you will get the bonuses. So with that said, let's finish it off for today. Welcome to all the people who have joined. So here is what you're going to get. I've already covered that, so we don't need to cover this. And welcome each and everybody to the RLF WhatsApp class who have joined, plus all the people who have not joined. First of all, I want to thank each and everybody for giving me the opportunity to share my experience with you. Type love in the chat box if you love today's session. Wasn't it full of energy and value? Type love in the chat box. Everybody type love in the chat box. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can everybody hear me? By the way, if you have any issues regarding payment and all, or else if you need time, if you need some request or something regarding payment, I am always available on my WhatsApp group. Sorry, on my private WhatsApp number. The same number you can private WhatsApp me, and we will talk if you need any facility or stuff like that. But most of you, all of you who are here, how was this session? Type awesome in the chat box if you loved today's session. I hope I am audible to everybody. Everybody who is here, Abhijit, Amrita, Nikhil, Pranav, Rajesh, Sachin, Vivek. Are you guys able to hear me? Because nobody is nobody is responding. So I don't know whether you guys are able to hear me or no. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. So we will conclude today's session. Amrita, Nikhil, Pranav, Rajesh, Sachin, Vivek, Abhijit. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share my experience with you. I salute you with folded hands, and we will meet those of you who are in the RLF coaching community. Of course, I am going to talk to them each week. And those of you who have not, I would still urge you to take up this, move earth and mountains, and make sure you come up with that money. I'm sure 8,000 is, so for some people it is much, but for some people it is less. But if you take this, I will make sure that you open a successful food business of yourself. So with that said, let us conclude today's session. Thank you so much for your time and your energy and your patience and your focus. This is Gopal Kamath saluting you. This is Gopal Kamath signing off. Bye, everybody. I'll be sharing the bonuses which I had promised in our WhatsApp group, and the links will be shared in the WhatsApp group for the free bonuses which I had already promised for the live session. Thank you so much. Take care. Love from me. This is Gopal Kamath signing off. Bye-bye. Bye, everybody.